Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your child's Google account. So one thing you will need, you are going to need their student ID number, which you can find in Skyward, or you can contact your child's teacher. Second, you will need to go to google.com. Once you are there, you can either click the blue sign in button or you can click the 9 dots and you should be able to click account and log in from there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to just click the sign in button. So I'm going to click sign in, click on another account. I'm going to type in a student ID number, and then I'm going to put at Del Valley-ISD.org. So you will use your child's own ID number, and then you will use the remainder of this email address at delvalley-isd.org. Click next, and then you're going to put in their password. So your child's password will be capital D VISD 123, and only the D is capital. Click next, and then go back up to the 9 squares in the corner. You're going to click it, and you can head to Classroom. And this should show all of your child's Google Classrooms. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in my classroom. So you're going to click on this. Any updates will be posted right here. As you can see, Miss Nix has posted her art for today. And then you're going to go to classwork to see what your child needs to do for that day. So in this classroom, it looks like yesterday's assignment is right here, and then today's is in orange. On the side, there are also helpful topics that you can go down to. So if you click on specials, it'll take you down to where the specials teachers post their assignments. To log into your child's Gmail email account, go back up to the Google Apps button, and you can click Gmail, and that will take you to your child's email account. Great, and that is how to access Google Classroom.